Hey y'all, Dave Epp here, Epp Concrete. We're at Joy's house. We are going to present Basement with a Purpose. From everybody's votes, we got a lot of votes and it was close, but Joy came away with the win. So we're getting ready, me and my dad Phil are getting ready to walk up to Joy's house, and we're going to let her know that she won the Basement with a Purpose. So we're excited. We're here with our transformation marketing team. Got a little plug in there, you know. And we're going to go let Joy know that she won Basement with a Purpose. So we're really excited to do this. So here we go.
No pictures.
Joy?
No.
No?
I might look as rough as her, but I'm not. I'm Jerry, your daughter.
Jerry.
Yes.
I'm Dave Epp.
Hi, Dave.
Very nice to meet you.
You too. Come on in.
Joy?
Hi, Dave. Sorry, as you can see, we're bursting here.
Dave. What? Epp. Epp. Yes, I'm Phil's son. I don't know, or Roma's son.
Okay.
I don't know if you've met my parents.
No.
So,
I've seen the name, but
yeah, we're here to officially, you know, announce that you win the Basement with a Purpose.
what can I really try?
Oh, it's okay.
Get in. Come in.
That's okay.
I told them it's like we're bursting
It's okay. It's our honor. It's great. I'm so happy. We're so happy that we can come in and help you out. This is so awesome. It's so great.
Well, if it's going to be way too much work.
No. It is our honor to come in and, you know, and come in and do this. So we're so excited. We're going to bring a huge team in. It's going to make a big event. It'll be great. It's going to be fun. Everybody, when we first dreamed it up, it's kind of neat. I got to tell you the story. So I was standing in the shop, and we kind of came up with this idea. And I presented it. There's about 50 guys out in the shop. And I was telling them, everybody, about this idea that we had about Basement for a Purpose, and people were going to vote on it and whatnot. And I started telling them kind of about the pipe dream that we had. And, you know, we'd go into a house and we'd help someone out that, you know, needed our help. And I said, you know, we'll pay you guys and we'll come and we'll do that. And so I got done talking and I went back to my office and I hear a knock on my door. And it's one of my foremen. And then another one. And then another one. And then another one. And then another one. And I had dozens and dozens of men and women in my office going, we don't want to be paid. We don't expect anything. We just want to do this. This is just something we want to give back. We just want to do. We want to go help the community. We want to dive in and we want to help somebody that needs the help. So I'm so excited for you. I'm so glad that they voted for you.
Thank you.
It's going to be so great. Are you excited? Is your family? How many people are under this roof?
9.
9?
9.
9 people live under this roof.
Yes.
Can you use the basement?
Right now?
Is it even?
No.
No.
We have this
It's
floor and the upstairs.
uninhabitable, correct?
Uninhabitable.
So we're gonna come in and we're gonna make it so that people can use it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna dry it out. We're gonna fix the walls. It's gonna be great. And so those people that are having to stay up here or upstairs now,
We sleep everywhere.
perfect.
Couches, bedrooms,
We're
everywhere.
gonna
We
create
sleep
places
everywhere.
all
That's great.
You know, let's go down and look at it.
Joy, I'm Phil.
I'm not going to be able
I'm
to do
Dave.
that.
No,
No,
that's
you're
fine.
Hi, Phil?
Phil, yeah.
Okay.
That's Roma's husband.
Congratulations.
That's Roma's husband.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I hear about
Congratulations.
room all the time.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Thank you
Hey,
very
buddy,
much.
how are you?
Congratulations.
I'm Dave.
We'll go down there.
That's my youngest.
Okay.
He used to be the
What's
youngest,
your-
correct?
Huh?
What's
We
that?
haven't got much turned out of there yet.
That's
but
all right.
Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm Dave.
Busy.
All right.
This is the man with the plan. This is Jose.
Jose?
I'm Phil.
Philip, Dave,
Hey, Dave up. How are you?
and then the one back behind there is Matt McLaughlin. He has concrete.
This is Matt. Matt is with McLaughlin Masonry. Matt's going to actually come in, and he's going to also donate his company's help. That Matt's going to cut in an egress window so that we have a legal basement, and him and his team and his company is going to come in and help out. So it was awesome. Once it was great. It was really neat when I kind of told my story about the guys. When Matt heard about it, he made the phone call. He reached out to us. We didn't reach out to him. He reached the community. It's been great. He called us and said, "Hey, I want to do whatever I can. I don't need to be on TV. I don't want to be on Facebook. Nothing." We're putting him on there anyway. So Matt is on. But it's been great. It's been awesome. So just the outcry, the outpour of people that have come forward and wanted to be involved in this is just, it's been overwhelming. It's been overwhelming. I can't even describe to you the feeling. So, well, we're gonna go look downstairs and figure out, how we're gonna get this accomplished.
Yeah, go ahead.
And I think I've been told that
It's a mess.
Jose is the man with the plan, correct?
He's one with the vision.
All right.
He does have the dumpster out back. We have started moving some of the stuff out, but
So what's awesome here is how big and wide and open this is. So
we'll have a clean slate.
we'll have a clean slate.
yeah, it's
So
a mess.
when we fix these walls, and obviously there's
Water.
we got water.
Yeah.
We got some damage. We got walls bowing in. We got when we fix this will be great. You'll have this huge, wide open area.
I'm really excited.
It'll be great. I mean, you
Super
think about
excited.
9 people. You think about how many bedrooms you could have down here.
Yeah.
And with Matt's help, with having a legal basement, I mean, that will be awesome. So
Yep. We're gonna have this all cleared out of here. We have a plan.
good. That'll be great.
We have
It'll
some
be.
people that are coming over to help, and
We're gonna
spend a weekend of it. And
We're gonna come in with a huge team and hammer this out. So this will be fun.
okay.
Like I said, the outcry of just like when I told that story and everyone's like, "No, I want to donate my time. I want to give my talents and my treasure."
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Awesome.
And then just to watch the voting, and all 3 great nominees, but just watch the voting and how close it was. I mean, it was neck and neck and neck and neck and neck all the way to the end.
Awesome.
So it's been pretty neat.
Okay,
It's been
awesome. It's cool. And we're really excited.
yeah. We are also very excited. So this is going to be great. So
It's kind of a mess, but I think you
Yeah.
guys, if anybody can do it, you guys.
yeah,
can.
we'll get her done. So we'll just get the mess cleaned up, and sounds like you got a dumpster, and
Yep, we got it out back already.
then we'll come in and get her done. So community, thank you. I appreciate everything. You guys did the votes. Many of you are part of this team. You're intertwined with us. We love being part of this community. So thank you. Thank you for allowing us to do this. Thank you for being part of our team and part of us. So we appreciate you more than you know. So we're excited. If you're friends of us, close, if you want to be involved in it, hit us an email, Ebb Concrete, go to our website, and hit us an email to the office. And, if you want to get on the bucket brigade is what it's being called. So there's a lot of buckets of concrete that are going to come out of here and a lot of dirt. So we can use all your help. So thank you. Appreciate it.